Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be just a quick walk around of something new. This is a Kubota 1860 with an LA203 loader on the front. I picked this up from a local auction and it's going to help us out greatly around here. If you've watched the channel before, you know I've been operating two Farmall Cubs. One is a 1948 and the other is a 1955 or 54. And while they've been doing things like brush hogging the right-of-way that we're standing on, I lack the ability to effectively mow the area near the house, as well as lift things up, put them down, and operate 3-point attachments. So that's what this is for. The keen-eyed of you will notice that there are some things that we got to work on. Our cutting edge is a little bit worn, but totally serviceable. This rear light here, the lens is broken on it. All of the lights do work. As you see from the intro, it starts up relatively quick. We've got an aftermarket fuel water separator filter combo right here. And I need to go through and service everything: hydraulics, oil, front axle. As you can see, we've got a Cat 1 3-point hitch on the back here. We've also got a little bit of a drawbar down there. We've got a nice working light, which does work, but the wire for the ground is broken, so quick fix on that. This did not come with a belly mower. However, I am in the market for one. I'm going to test out a couple mower decks. Some friends have said that they'll lend me to see if I like better than a belly mower, but ideally I think a belly mower would be great for it to replace or offset my small John Deere riding mower. So that's a quick walk around of the Kubota BX1860. Look back for more videos. The next one you'll see is just going to be going through and doing basic servicing on some things. So hope you enjoyed. Tune in for more. Thanks for watching.